And the big story that we're following here on Times Now. Day after Minister of State for Railways Mukul Roy tried to pass the buck after the Kalka Mail derailment near Kanpur. Now the Prime Minister Manmohan Singh has pulled him up, asking him to visit the spot of the train derailment in Kamrup in Assam immediately. It was an indifference exposed right here on your channel last evening. Minister of State Railways Mukul Roy surprising everyone with his reaction after the twin railway tragedies. Speaking to Times Now, saying he would visit the accident site only if he was asked to. Now, today the Prime Minister has pulled him up, instructing him to visit the site in Assam, but politically the damage has been done, with Mukul Roy finding himself at the receiving end of every party's ire.
रेलवे की स्थिति है, इस पर भी चिंता व्यक्त करती है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी ये मानती है कि यूपीए 1 और यूपीए 2 में रेल मंत्रालय का जिस तरीके से कोएलिशन की सरकार के कारण यह इसकी विक्टिम रही है,
वो तो चली रही है। अभी तक प्रधानमंत्री ने इसका जिम्मेदारी नहीं बदला, और जब तक जिम्मेदारी नहीं बदलती वो जाहिर है कि वो दायित्व और जिम्मेदारी जो रेल मंत्री है उन्हीं के ऊपर है। हमारा कहना है पूरा सरकार ही जिम्मेदार है, पूरे सरकार जिम्मेदार है, और मुख्य जिम्मेदारी यहाँ पर रेल मंत्री की है। और प्रधानमंत्री अभी तक क्यों नहीं एक नया रेल मंत्री का नियुक्त किया, उसका जवाब उनको देना। प्रधानमंत्री टोड़े या कोई टोड़े, अफसोस यही है कि ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए। अब इसके चलते हुए ये रिकॉर्ड की बात नहीं है, इसके अंदर बेगुनाह कई सारे जान इन्वॉल्व हैं। अब इनकी जान जाए और इस तरीके से जाए जो लापरवाही की वजह से, ये मंजूर नहीं है।
Let us now go across to Jemima, joining us with more on this story. Jemima, now it has indeed become a very unpleasant situation for the government with the way the MOS has reacted.
Absolutely, and opposition parties are not ready to give up any opportunity to target the MOS Mukul Roy, Mamata Banerjee, former railway minister, and also the government. Now, in press conferences yesterday and today, the BJP criticized Mukul Roy. They said that he was probably more interested in the cabinet reshuffle that is expected tomorrow, on Tuesday, instead of the accident that he that he should have actually visited the accident site immediately on hearing of such an incident. They also criticized Mamata Banerjee. Today, JDU President Sharad Yadav held a press conference, and he said that even though Mamata Banerjee was the railway minister, she was more involved in working in West Bengal. She was campaigning in West Bengal, and hence, in spite of having a railway minister, the railway ministry was working without leadership. So what opposition parties have been saying is that development works in the railway ministry have stopped because of the lack of leadership. The BJP has criticized Mukul Roy's statement yesterday as well as today.
Absolutely. Trouble there coming from all across for Mukul Roy.